The world is pretty big. The solar system is huge. The Milky Way galaxy is even more bigger. The galaxies, and then the universe, is far huge than we think. But who created this complex and well organized system? Who is driving this for millions of years? How was this universe created? Is there an end to it? What are the scientific proofs for the existence of God? I'm your host Jones and you are watching Discover the World. In this video, we will try to answer all of the given questions. Many religious persons, including many scientists, hold that God created the universe and the various processes driving physical and biological evolution, and that these processes then resulted in the creation of galaxies, our solar system, and life on Earth. In the modern world of science, a lot of people, including scientists, are reverting to Islam. And Islam has become the fastest growing religion. Why is that? So let us give you a few examples of why is that happening. And why are people reverting to Islam? Have they found some sort of proofs, or is there any other reason? Now scientifically, what is the proof that this universe is created by God? So Quran is the religious book of Muslims, and it has several scientific proofs that the universe is created by God, Allah. Number 1. The Big Bang theory. In Surah Al-Anbiya, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also states, "Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were a giant entity, and we separated them." In 1929, American astronomer Edwin Hubble proposed the Hubble's law, according to which all entities in space are moving away from the earth at speeds proportional to the distance. The greater the distance from earth, the faster they are moving. Soon after this, he discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other as well, which means that the universe is expanding overall. This laid the basis for the Big Bang theory, which states that around 12 to 15 billion years ago, the universe came into existence from one single extremely hot and dense point. Due to an explosion of this point, the universe came into being. The universe since then has been expanding from this single point. In 1965, radio astronomers Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson won the Nobel Prize for the discovery that confirmed the Big Bang theory. When looking at the verse cited above, while acknowledging Allah knows best, it remains astounding that the Quran had already revealed that the heavens and the earth were a giant entity and we separated them. Number 2. The Big Crunch theory. Again, in Surah Al-Anbiya, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "The day when we will fold the heaven like the folding of a written sheet for the records. As we began the first creation, we will repeat it. That is a promise binding upon us. Indeed, we will do it." This is another verse from the Quran, which fits in with the theory of the Big Crunch, which talks about how the universe will be pulled back into the black holes and again form a tiny mass. Indeed, the Big Crunch is one of the scenarios predicted by scientists in which the universe may end. Just like many others, it is based on Einstein's theory of general relativity. That is, if the Big Bang describes how the universe most possibly began, the Big Crunch describes how it will end as a consequence of that beginning, just as the Quran has beautifully described above. Now these two theories, which were proposed recently by scientists, are already mentioned in the Quran about more than 1500 years ago. So who could have mentioned it? In fact, the one who created this and will bring it to an end. Thanks for watching.